Alright guys, here we have the new Leatt Fusion 2.0 vest. This is the junior small medium size, which it was a little confusing because some websites had it listed differently, but I believe this is the smallest size they offer. I believe it's 105 to 125 centimeters. Yeah. So that's height. So I believe that's the smallest they offer. This would be like your pee-wee size. Talk about protective, man. This might as well be a full-blown chest protector on the front and back. It looks like it's soft, but it doesn't really flex much. It's sturdy. You got protectors up here that keep the neck guard from ever hitting you if it were to break. You've got protectors here. The whole thing acts as a roost protector. On the back, you've got full back protection, plus it wraps around and protects like your ribs and kidney area right there. So that's pretty cool. The clasp, super easy to use. So even your little guy can do it. You got a huge hole to hit right there. Locks in. You've got the full shoulder protection. Doesn't come off the elbow or anything, but you've got the shoulder, and then you've got, of course, Leatt's neck guard that they're known for. Get this side out. So yeah, it should be easy for them to get in there. The whole thing just opens up like that, and you close it, and it just snaps shut. A little button to open, even says open right there. Shouldn't be too hard to get him back out of once it gets to the track. Both sides do open, so if you need to, you can. So definitely feels like it's well made. MSRP, I believe, is around $250 to $280. You can sometimes pick them up a little cheaper than that, but Leatt's been around a long time. They're one of the oldest and best companies involved in protection and motocross. So safe bet with that thing. I think you'd be good to go. And even if you don't do a Leatt, at least get the guy some kind of chest and neck protection. It'd be better than nothing.